Before Mockingjay became a symbol of rebellion. Before the girl on fire won over the Capitol. 18-year-old Coriolanus Snow is on his path to power. It is the morning of the reaping of the 10th annual Hunger Games, and the odds are against Coriolanus Snow at his one shot at glory as becoming a mentor in the games. Being given the humiliating task of mentoring a female tribute from District 12, the lowest of the lows, their fates are now completely intertwined. Find out what happened 64 years prior to the Hunger Games trilogy. Get your copy of the Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes now.